Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This is a Panasonic washing machine. Customer has called me, cannot use. So let's see what is the problem. If I turn it on, is all the button it's not working. See, all the button is not working, but there is error code H52. So there is error code H52. So this is the PCB board problem, but not this problem, not this board. There's behind there is one more main PCB board. That main PCB board is problem. So I have removed it from there because there was corner. So here will be very easy to remove. So this is the back cover. So inside the back cover, the PCB board. Let me remove the screws. There are some of the screws. Just remove the screw, then pull it up, press it up, then you can remove it. So it's very easy. Yeah, this is the PCB board. This board is problem. Remove this cover. Then we have to remove the screws. Already I bought a new PCB board from Panasonic service center, original. Yeah, this is the new PCB board. So we will see this PCB board has burned some of the IC, so all the best change new PCB board and need to change. If after change it will be okay, inshallah. This is the new PCB board. So there is only lock, only no screws for PCB board. So I'll reconnect all the connector. Then we will be back. So I have, after I have connect all the connector, now need to fix the cover also. Is the owner? Hi. So I'll fix the cover, then we will be back. And then I'll fix this back cover also. So after I fix the back cover, so let's test it. Bismillah. So alhamdulillah, no more error code. So the washing machine has been okay. So it needs water. Without water it will not work. It will not work. So alhamdulillah dear viewers, it's working fine. So if this error code, so this is the only problem is the PCB board. If you change the PCB board, then washing machine will be okay. Thank you.